Now we'll look at SAT Practice Test 1. We'll look at Section 4 from questions 11 through 15. Which of the following numbers is not a solution of the inequality 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 4x minus 3? So let's solve the inequality. 3x minus 5 greater than equal to 4x minus 3. I'm going to add 5 on both sides. So I have 3x greater than equal to 4x plus 2. We'll subtract 4x here from both sides. So negative x greater than equal to 2. And we need to find x, so we divide by negative 1 on both sides. So we have x. Because we divide by negative 1, the sign changes to less than equal to negative 2. So what it's asking here is which of these is not a solution. So we're going to look for a number that is greater than negative 2. And that's going to be negative 1. Number 12. Based on the histogram above, of the following, which is the closest to the average or the arithmetic mean of the number of seeds per apple? So let's look at 3. For 3 seeds, we have 2. So this 3 seeds, we have 2. 4 seeds, we have 0. 5 seeds, we have 4. 6 seeds, we have 1. 7 seeds, we have 2. 8 seeds, we have 0. And 9 seeds, we have 3. So we're trying to find out how many seeds per apple. So we need to find out total number of seeds. Find total number of seeds, and then we also have total number of apples. Okay, so let's find how many seeds we have. So 2 apples have 3 seeds, so we have, this is going to be 3 times 2, 6, 0, this is 20 seeds. This is going to give us 6, this is going to give us 14, 0, and 27. So let's add this up together. 6 plus 20 is 26 plus 6. That will give us 32 plus 14, 46 plus 27. We have 73 seeds. So this is 73 seeds. Now, how many apples do we have? We have 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 12. So we're looking for seeds per apple is going to be 73 divided by 12, which is going to be 6. And then we have 1 over 12. So roughly about 6 seeds per apple. So a group of 10th grade students respond to a survey that asks how many math courses they were currently enrolled in. The survey data were broken down as shown in the table above. Which of the following categories accounts for approximately 19% of all survey respondents? 19% of all survey respondents, okay? So let's look at the number of females taking geometry. Females taking geometry is this right here. And how many survey respondents do we have? We have 310. So let's look at what is 19% of 310. It's going to be times 19 over 100. Let's cross this out. So we have 31 multiplied by 19 divided by 10. – So this is going to give us 589 divided by 10. So roughly 58 to 59 is what we're looking for. So we look at 59. That's what we need right here. So 59 is going to be males taking geometry. So that is going to be C. Number 14, the table above lists the length to the nearest inch of a random sample of 21 brown bullhead fish. The outlier measurement of 24 inches is an error. Of the mean, median, and range of the values listed, which will change the most if the 24-inch measurement is removed from the data? Generally, when you have outliers, the measure that is affected the most is the range, because the range is the largest value minus the smallest value. The others will not be changed significantly. The mean will not change by much because it's usually the center. The median is the middlemost number, but the range. So let's look at this, for example. If I have 24, I have range, which 24 is going to be 24 minus 8, which is 16. But if I remove the 24, the range now becomes 16 minus 8, which is 8. So that's a significant change from 16 to 8. So the range is going to be affected the most by removing the 24. Number 15, the graph above displays the total cost, C, in dollars of renting a boat for 8 hours. What does the C-intercept represent in the graph? So what this means here at this point is that at the 0 hour time, this is the total cost. So typically when you have this type of an intercept, it's the cost without, it's going to be more like the base cost, because this is the cost without actually without actually riding the boat or renting the boat. So it looks like you have a base cost, or the initial cost of renting a boat, and then after 0, that is the rate per hour in addition to the initial cost. So the intercept here just simply means the initial cost of renting the boat.